Saccater has earned a strong reputation in the world of hearing protection with its innovative Focus and Moment earplugs. Now, with the launch of the Focus Max, the company is taking its mission one step further, setting a new benchmark in comfort, usability, and sustainable noise reduction. Focus Max is designed with medical-grade materials and an ergonomic profile to ensure a secure yet unobtrusive fit. Unlike disposable foam earplugs, which are wasteful and often short-lived, a single pair of Focus Max is built to last. Based on typical usage, it replaces the value of nearly 300 pairs of disposable plugs, a win for both your wallet and the environment. Traditionally, earplugs force a compromise. Foam tips block noise effectively, but can feel uncomfortable over long wear, while silicone tips offer comfort but less reduction. The Zen-Core hybrid material merges the two. By combining the density of foam with the flexibility of silicone, Focus Max achieves a remarkable balance, powerful noise isolation with a feather-light ergonomic fit. The Saccater Focus Max is more than just an incremental upgrade, it's a category-defining innovation. By offering three interchangeable tip types, pioneering the Zen-Core silicone foam hybrid, and prioritizing both comfort and sustainability, Saccater has created a product that outperforms both disposable foam plugs and standard reusable options. If you're seeking versatile, comfortable, and eco-friendly earplugs that adapt to every environment, Focus Max is one of the most exciting launches of 2025 and well worth backing.